Raccoon. What animal looks like an expert thief and wears a mask as a disguise? Rabbit. Rabbits are popular as pets due to their calm nature. They would also make natural lawnmowers, since rabbits can eat grass all day and need to constantly chew or gnaw at something in order to keep their teeth healthy. Raccoon. What animal looks like an expert thief and wears a mask as a disguise? Yes, that's a raccoon. Raccoons have dark fur covering the area around their eyes, making them look cute. However, these nocturnal omnivores are quite hostile to humans. They can also wreck gardens, make a mess, and can cause damage when they are searching for food. Even though they may cause a lot of troubles, raccoons also bring benefits to humans, since they eat pesky insects and mice. Squirrel. There are three types of squirrels: tree squirrels, ground squirrels, and flying squirrels. However, no matter the types, the teeth of a squirrel continue to grow their entire lives to make sure they will not wear down to stubs from gnawing on acorns, nuts, and other things. These rodents are also known to store food for winter by burying it. Turtle. Turtle here refers to the sea turtle, which is one of the oldest creatures on Earth. The hard shells on their back, called carapaces, are actually formed from their ribs and act like a shield that protect them. Females are known to return to the same nesting ground on the sandy beach where they were born to lay their eggs, after which it will be survival of the fittest for baby turtles to reach the sea and grow up into an adult. Sadly, because turtles are always being hunted by predators and humans, both at the beach and in open waters, it is estimated that only one hatchling out of 1,000 will reach adulthood. That's so sad. Urial. The urial is a subspecies of the wild sheep, which can be found in barren or grassy terrains of western Central Asia. These herbivores, especially the males, are recognizable by their large horns that curl outward and by the ruffs, usually black in color, on their necks to their chests, whereas the females generally have shorter horns. Vulture. Vultures are carnivorous birds with a scavenging nature, which means they are able to feed on the carcasses of dead animals thanks to their stomach acid. They might not be the cleanest animals, but without them, the earth would get pretty stinky. These bald birds do not harm any other living creatures, and they actually spend all their lives cleaning the environments they are living in, making other animals in their surroundings healthier as well. Whale. Whales may look like giant fish, but they are actually mammals that breathe with their lungs, just like us. From time to time, whales will emerge from the surface of the ocean to breathe. With their huge appetite, whales have an important role in keeping the aquatic food chain and reproduction of other species stable. Do you know that the blue whale is also the largest animal that has ever lived on Earth? No, it's not the dinosaurs, but this long-lived, endangered sea mammal. X-ray fish. The X-ray fish is one of the very few animals that have transparent bodies. It inhabits South American waters, especially in the Amazon, Orinoco, and the Guianas. Besides the unique trait of its translucent skin, the X-ray tetra is popular to be kept in home aquariums due to being highly tolerant of varied water conditions, from the slightly salty estuary water even to acidic and alkaline waters. Yak. Huge and hairy, yaks could survive at an altitude of 20,000 feet in the Himalayas the highest elevation for any mammal's habitat. Even though they seem intimidating with their huge stature and menacing horns, especially the males, yaks are actually very friendly in nature, and most of them have been domesticated for their fur, meat, and used as transportation. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes on their bodies, which is why zebra cross is named after them. The stripes are used to distribute incoming heat and prevent a zebra from overheating in the heat of the African sun. They might also be used as a camouflage tool to confuse predators among tall grasses. A large herd means safety to zebras, and it is usually only when they feel safe that a zebra will sleep standing up. Ant. Ants are the smallest invertebrate in the world. Despite their size, ants hold an important role in the environment. Ants turn and expose soil to the air so that water and oxygen can reach plant roots. Ants eat various organic materials and provide food for other life forms. Frog. Frogs are amphibians, which can live in both land and water environments. Ant. Ant. Bear. Bears are mostly cow. Duck. Elephant. Frog. Giraffe.